Hi there everyone. Today we're just gonna go driving and using the GPS to direct me to where I need to go. So I'm just gonna follow its directions. Now, when using GPS, you have to remember that if you don't know what 100 meters look like or 500 meters look like, you can actually start, if it says in 500 meters turn left, you could actually be at 300 meters and turn left because you don't know the distance, how to judge it. So anyway, I'm just gonna drive and listen to the GPS and follow its direction. Okay, so right now I'm in my driveway. I'm just gonna back out, and remember, you're backing out of your driveway, don't take it for granted. It's your area, but you could still get into a lot of trouble, so check like crazy when backing up. Okay, I keep checking like mad. Okay, so I'm over on the right side off the roadway. I put it to drive and then straighten the wheel, signal to the left, because if a car should pull up behind me, at least they know that I intend to drive off, and it's safe, so I drive off.
In 100 meters, turn left.
Okay.
Turn left.
Turn left. And don't block the crosswalk. We'll check left and right. Of course, there's a vehicle approaching from the left. I don't know if he's gonna turn or go straight because he's not using his signals. Now you just put it on. That's no good. You don't wait until you're actually turning to put signals on. You want to give advance warning to the other drivers that yes, I'm turning right.
400 meters, turn left.
Or turning left. Okay, so I'm just following the directions. Now here you have cars parked on either side of the road, so obviously two cars can't squeeze in there. So I don't see anyone approaching me, so it's okay for me to continue.
Turn left.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Signal left. What do we have here? Stop sign, but there's a crosswalk or a sidewalk. So I check left, right, and it's safe. So I go, make my left turn. And
in 200 meters, turn right.
okay, I think I better shut up and just listen to the GPS.
In 400 meters, turn left.
Of course, sometimes the GPS gives you the wrong direction, so it helps if you know, have an idea of where you're going, and sometimes you just go where you know. But for this particular ride, I think I'm getting the proper directions from the GPS.
Turn left, then turn right. Turn right.
And I've got a white line here. Now I don't see it, so I stop with the wheels turned. Check to the left and it's good. Check to the right for the pedestrians. Nobody. Make my turn. Check left, right. Speed here is 80. So I'm driving at 80. Notice the broken yellow lines, meaning if there's someone in front of me and I'd like to pass them because they're driving too slow, then I could do that, but of course there's no one in front of me. It's a wide open country road. So I just keep on driving. Now I'll be giving you tips as I go along. Sale over there. Wow, lots of stuff. This is real country, and of course I'm in Canada, just driving on country roads. See how lovely our roads are? This is Canada. It's country roads. You would think that they would neglect the roads, but look how beautiful the roads are. Clean. That's Canada for you. Over here, we're clean. We're tidy. Alright. Notice how I'm holding the steering wheel.
Turn left.
Okay. Now this guy doesn't like the fact that I'm driving at 80. So there he is. Doing about 100 or so. Yeah. And the GPS said turn left. So I have to slow down to make my turn. Left turn. There's a vehicle approaching, but he's a good distance. Another country road. And we're going down this hill, so there's no need to accelerate because I'm still doing my 80. Actually, it's up to 85. So there's no need for any acceleration down the hill. Now we're on a flat road again, so we need to give it a little gas to maintain the speed, which is 80. Notice the double yellow lines on the road suggest that you do not overtake. It's just one lane in either direction, so the idea is to be careful. That sign suggests I have a sharp right coming up, so I have to slow it down to about 60 into the turn. As soon as I straighten the wheel out, then I can accelerate to get up to 80 again. Now there's another yellow sign with the arrow pointed to the left, suggesting it's a sharp turn to the left. And there's another sign suggesting that there are horse carriages. So you have to watch out for these horses pulling the carriage. Okay, again, it's 80 kilometers an hour. And I'm at 75. Now I get up to 80. More double yellow lines, again suggesting no overtaking. Sign to the right, it suggests that there's a cross street ahead. And here is the cross street there. You have to be observant. You have to see these signs and you have to know what they mean. Beautiful looking road. Look at it. It's going down, then it goes up. That's beautiful. It's tempting. You see roads like this, you really want to drive a little bit faster. But no, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to stick to 80. There we're going up the hump. And then on the flat surface again. Beautiful. Going down this hill. Again, the yellow sign suggesting a cross street ahead. So the idea is so you check left, right. And here's a cross street. Left, right. And ahead there's a sign that suggests that it's 60 kilometers an hour ahead. So when you see a sign like that with the arrow, it doesn't mean it's 60 there, it's 60 ahead. Like right now, you can see it says 60 begin. So I'm down to 60. And another sign that confirms the speed, 60 kilometers an hour. And here's a